Hello, welcome back to the channel. We need to find the area shaded blue if O is the center of the semicircle. From this figure, to find the area painted blue, we are going to take the area of the semicircle, take away the area of the right-angled triangle. Let us first find the area of the semicircle, which is given by, I'm going to call it as area 1, which is given by 1 over 2 pi r square. AO is equal to radius. AO, this is equal to radius. This is equal to 42 centimeter. So our area 1, this is equal to a half. I'm going to use pi as 22 over 7 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by r square. That is 42 multiplied by 42 by 2, 1 by 2, it is 11 by 7, 1 by 7, we got 6. Area 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 42. This gives us 2,772 centimeter square. Now let us find the area of right-angled triangle, which it has the height of 27 and its base is distance A, B, which is the same as 42 plus 42. Area 2 is the area of a triangle, which is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Our base is distance AB. Distance AB, this is equal to distance AO plus distance OB, but distance AO and distance OB, all of them, they are radius. So AB, this is equal to 42 plus 42. Distance AB, this is equal to base, this is equal to 84 centimeter. And our height is equal to 27 centimeter. Let's substitute the height and the base to our formula. We are going to get area 2 is equal to a half multiplied by base, we get 84 multiplied by the height of 27 by 2, 1 by 2, we get 42. Area 2, this is equal to 42 multiplied by 27, we get 1,134 centimeter square. Area painted blue is the same as taking the area of the semicircle, take away the area of right-angled triangle. I'll call it as area shaded. This is equal to area 1, take away area 2. This is equal to area 1. Area 1 we get 2,772. Take away area 2, which is 1,134. We get area shaded is equal to 1,638. This is centimeter square. Hope you understand how we find the area painted blue. For more questions on circles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.